everybody, and welcome to LK Lifestyles, where today we're going to be making you paleo, gluten-free, grain-free, and totally delicious cashew cream cups. I love this recipe because it uses really simple ingredients. It only uses 5 total, and it doesn't require any special ingredients. You can actually even use paper cups if you don't have those cute little silicone cups. The first thing that we're going to do is melt our chocolate, and you just pour the bag of chocolate into a microwave safe bowl with your coconut oil and a little vanilla. I give it about a minute, and after it's done a minute, I give it a stir, and it doesn't really look great at this point, but it's amazing how after just one more minute this chocolate is really just going to smooth out. So we're just going to put it back into the microwave for one more minute, and if your microwave isn't as strong as mine, then you can leave it in for a little bit longer. But once you stir it, it's ready to pour, and we're going to come over here to our little silicone cups, and I only put about a tablespoon in each one. I just want to coat the bottom of the paper or silicone container because I want to leave enough chocolate to pour on top. And we're going to put these into the freezer for 20 minutes. It doesn't take long, and if you can get them straight, that's the best way, but they really won't move too much. I'm going to heat my chocolate up for another 20 seconds just to get it to be in a little more liquid form. And as you can see, my cashew cups are already frozen on the bottom after just 20 minutes. The chocolate doesn't move around very much, so we can put the cashew butter on top and it won't just slop all over. I put 1 teaspoon of cashew butter on top of each chocolate cup, and I'm going to pour, at least at first, I'm going to pour some chocolate over each one, and a little bit just to cover it is really all that you need, because you want to make sure that you spread the chocolate out to each and every cup, and this recipe makes 8 cups, as you can see. It is optional, but I totally recommend putting a little sprinkle of sea salt on each of these, and since I had some extra chocolate, I made a couple of extra treats for myself. And I'm going to put these back in the freezer. And 45 minutes later, I have what I consider to be the perfect little paleo treat. It wasn't high maintenance, and it only used 5 ingredients, and these are grain-free and dairy-free and absolutely delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to LK Lifestyles today. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.